Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So we got a lot of people interested in learning what Stitch Fix is all about. So I had actually ordered a Stitch Fix about 2 weeks ago, and I've done Stitch Fix a couple times now, and I just haven't really done it in a long time. And I got an email from them about 2 weeks ago saying that they were going to waive my styling fee. Whenever you order a Stitch Fix, you pay a $20 styling fee for the stylist to style you. And then if you purchase something through Stitch Fix, that $20 gets applied towards your purchase. So basically you get $20 off. So when I got my box and there wasn't anything that I liked in it, I'd be able to send it back and I wouldn't lose out on the $20, because if they do charge you the styling fee and you send the whole box back, you don't get that money back. That's if you don't purchase anything, if that makes sense. So I got my box today, so we're gonna open it and then see what we got, and I'll kind of explain what Stitch Fix is all about and how it works. Okay, so I have my box open. It's a pretty large box for this Stitch Fix, so when you're on the website, you can go ahead and leave a note for your stylist saying if there's a specific trend you want to try, or just anything in general, like I want jeans, I want shirts, whatever you want. They can send jewelry, shoes, anything. For this fix, I asked for mainly all long sleeve t-shirts and maybe a cute jacket if there were any available. And because I am a college student, I wanted things to be as cheap as possible. One thing about Stitch Fix, they do have cheaper options, but they can still be on the pricier side for a lot of people. They're kind of more like a boutique priced company, if that makes sense. Kind of like Francesca's is what their pricing reminds me of, like their lower end pricing. But you can edit what price range you want to shop in on your profile. And so they send you a pre-packaged envelope to send all your clothes back, which is really nice. Once you get your fix, sorry, you have about 3 days to try on everything and then send it back, whatever you don't want to keep. And it's nice because it's free and you don't have to worry about it. And then you'll usually get a little card from your stylist. You get a little note where your stylist explains why she or he picked the clothes she did. And then you also get a little receipt that lays out all the prices of everything in the box. So we're gonna see what my stylist wrote for me. She says, my stylist is Jen. She says, "Hi Lena, happy fix day. Hope this fix finds you doing fantastic. I'm so excited to be back styling another fix for you, and I'm thrilled that you loved the pieces from your previous fix. I read your note and I wanted to focus this fix around fun pieces perfect to wear in the classroom or a casual weekend day. I started with this beautiful blouse from Britton. The vertical stripes give the blouse a fun and subtle design, and you could wear the blouse tucked into a great pair of pants or a skirt. The top will look gorgeous by itself or under a fun cardigan. The K&C blouse is such a gorgeous color for the winter, and the style is simple and fun to wear with denim or dress pants in the classroom. I wasn't able to find a great wool jacket, but I did include this great cardigan coat from Pinque CLOVER for a fun layering piece. Best, Jen." And so they just send you a little note, and then they give you little cards that show how you can style the pieces you got in your kit. And then again, the other little note you get with your box is just the receipt with how the things are priced. So we're gonna go ahead and open up everything that I got. I actually already peeked at what I got on my app. If you have the Stitch Fix app, once your Stitch Fix is shipped, you can just pretend like you're checking out, and then you can see the picture of the items you got. So I already know what I got, but things are different in person than what you see online. So this first top is this little burgundy shirt. It's actually really nice. It's silky and it has kind of like an open back detail. I don't know if it's hard to see, but it's not like completely open. It has like a sheer top. And I asked for work appropriate clothing just because I am student teaching, so I'm in the classroom a lot. So yeah, this shirt's really nice, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it when I try it on. So there's that shirt. And then I got this striped kind of tie in the front shirt. It just looks like this. Again, it's kind of like really silky material. And I'll have to try that on. I'm not entirely sure about the little tie in the front. I don't know if that will show too much stomach, which I really don't want to do when I'm working in the classroom with first and second graders. And then my third item, I don't think I said this, but you get 5 items in your fix. I got this kind of like grayish blackish cardigan. I like it. I just don't know if I'm gonna keep it because I already have like 2 black cardigans that are really similar to this. So this might be something I don't keep just because I already have it. But if I like all the other things besides this black cardigan, it would probably be beneficial that I buy everything, because if you buy all 5 items in your box, you get a 25% discount on your items, which is a pretty big deal. And I'll go over the prices of all my items in a little bit. I also got this gray sweater. It's kind of textured. It has like a little pattern. This is cute. This is probably something I would wear a lot, so I just have to see what it looks like on. I got sent all mediums. Sometimes I find that a lot of their shirts run a little small, so that's why I've been doing mediums. And then this is what I've been excited about. It's this really thick, like kind of like pinkish color cardigan, if I could figure out how to open it. This is probably something I would keep. I already have like a lot of cardigans, but I don't have one that's like this thick, so I'll have to see what it looks like on. It's kind of hard to see it. I can't really hold it up all the way, but yeah, that's just what it looks like. It has like little pockets. So yeah, these are definitely something I will have to try on. So I could go ahead and look through the prices. So this gray black, it says dark gray, this dark gray cardigan is the Kaileigh Cabrillo cardigan, and it's $46. So I'd have to really like it to buy it for that price. This pink cardigan I was just showing is by Pink Clover. It's the Emanuela cardigan, and that's $58. Just based on like the quality and the thickness of it, and it's something I don't really have, I would probably pay $58 for this, but again, I have to try it on and see how I feel about it. This gray sweater is the Pinque Woodside textured pullover, and it is $38. So that's, I think, a decent price for like a nice long sleeve. So if I like it, I will probably end up keeping this, because I realized I really don't have a lot of long sleeve shirts in my closet, and I get kind of tired of wearing a lot of layers when I'm at the school. This burgundy maroonish top is by K&C. It's a Harvard mixed material knit top, and it is $42. I really like it. I don't know if it might be a little too big for me. I just like that it's really simple and I could do a lot with it. So I'll have to see what that looks like on. And then the striped little tie shirt is by Britton, and it is the Magee tie front top, and it is $46. So again, I'll just have to see what it looks like on, and I'll let you guys know what I think. So all together, all 5 items are $230. And if I bought all 5 items, I would get 25% off, so it would take off about $57, and so my total would be $172.50 for all 5 items if I bought that with the discount. The only disadvantage I have from not having my styling fee, or like having it waived I should say, is that I don't get the additional $20 off. So like if I had even just bought one thing, I would have had $20 off of my purchase. So if I only wanted to buy this pinkish cardigan, it would be technically $38 instead of $58. So that's the only downside that I have from getting a Stitch Fix without having the styling fee. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try everything on. I will leave all the items down below in the description bar, just so if you guys are interested in getting a Stitch Fix, you know what exactly the items are that I received in case you want to request it to your stylist when you try it out. And I also have my referral link down below. If you're interested in getting your styling fee waived for your first fix, you could go ahead and click on the link in the description bar. And yeah, if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. It's a really fun thing to be a part of. I really like getting the little boxes in the mail. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and try on the clothes and then I'll let you guys know what I think. So I really like this cardigan. I realize now that it's more of a tan color, but I still really like it. I feel like it's something I can easily incorporate into my wardrobe, and I have a lot of outfits I can already envision myself wearing with it. So yeah, I think I might keep this one. Although I really like this black cardigan, it's just super similar to ones that I have. So if I'm not going to keep everything in the box, I'm probably not going to keep this one. I do like it, but it's just something I don't need. And I really liked this gray sweatshirt. I think it's something I could easily incorporate into my closet, and it's something I could see myself wearing a lot, and this type of long sleeve shirt is something I need. And I was actually surprised that I really liked this burgundy top. It's definitely something I could see myself wearing all the time, and I really like the little sheer cutout in the back, and I think this shirt is just really flattering on me as well. As for this shirt, I do like it. I just don't necessarily think it's appropriate for me to be wearing to the elementary school. I think it could be something I could wear on other occasions, but at the same time, I'm not entirely sure how often I would wear it. So I'm definitely gonna have to think about this one. Alright, so that concludes this video on Stitch Fix. I hope that I was able to answer like any questions you might have about the company. If not, just leave a question down below. I have a really difficult decision to make regarding what clothes I'm going to keep. I kind of have an idea of what I think I'm going to send back and what I am going to keep, but let me know in the comments below what you think I should keep. And it was kind of fun doing a little kind of fashion little video on our makeup channel, something kind of different. So let us know if you want to keep seeing these videos, or just leave any other video suggestion that you have for us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to like this video. And also, if you're not subscribed to our Twitter, our Instagram, or even like us on Facebook, make sure you click the links below to get connected with us. Bye guys!